Let's learn the basics of working with the Strategy Toolkit indicator today. The indicator is now loaded on the Bank Nifty chart. Let us proceed to the indicator settings in order to look at all of the options that are available inside the indicator. Load Profile. Under the Load Profile option, select the index option that you wish to trade with. Ideally, the chart on which you applied the indicator and the load profile should match. Since option strikes are calculated on the spot chart, it is advisable to load the indicator on the spot chart. If you applied this indicator to the futures chart, ensure to adjust the strike prices accordingly. Setting up expiry dates. Expiry dates are important. It's critical to match the expiry date format which your broker support. In order to set the expiry dates, head to Next Level Bot website. Under Symbol section, select your broker account. Inside this search box, type Bank Nifty with percentage symbol followed by N. N represents November month contract. Copy the expiry date accordingly and paste the same inside the indicator. Ensure to paste correct dates in current week and next week expiry date fields. Select any of the listed broker account under this settings. I recommend you to trade using TradingView account in order to do paper trade until you get a hang on how to work with this indicator. Product type. Ensure to select correct product type under this section. Select the option intraday if you wish to place MIS orders. Other two options are to be used only if you wish to take positional trades as accepted by your broker.